crash courses. Sandra, how'd you like to guess what today's crash course is all about?
This is a trick question, isn't it?
Only if I've asked it right. Go on and guess. Today's crash course is about...
Flying squirrels.
Wrong! So wrong. Embarrassingly wrong. Whew! But ironically, the idea for today's crash course does indeed come from those adorable flying rodents. It's the wingsuit. Hot buttered popcorn, look at him soar through the air. Today, I'm going to attempt to break the wingsuit world speed record.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Why? Is it because I have absolutely no training whatsoever? Or maybe it's because of my history of making radically poor decisions?
Yep.
Well, I'm glad that's settled. Now, while I change into my wingsuit, let's hear today's fast facts. Fact number 1. Wingsuits make it possible to glide for long distances through the air. Fact number 2. Wingsuit flyers use parachutes to land safely after their flights. Fact number 3. Wingsuits are made of material that is both very strong and very light. Time to spread my wings and fly. Ta-ta! Here I am, thousands of feet above the Earth, ready to leap into the record books. Okay, Sandra, watch as the Earth gradually rises up to meet me.
I doubt it will be gradual, sir.
And away we go! Now, to go even faster, all I need to do is pull my arms into my side like this. Woo! I'm really starting to pick up speed now. 200, 220, 240. Ground! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.